Okay, good morning to everybody. Today's topic of discussion is about Sambandha or relationships. Before starting the video or starting the lesson, I would request all to kindly subscribe to my channel and share the channel to all those people who are interested to learn astrology because more and more videos are going to come up in this channel. Now let us talk about Sambandha. In simple terms, Sambandha means relationships. Like we human beings have relationships, even the planets also have relationships. Here, what I have given is three types of relationship. One is natural relationship, it is called as Naisargika Sambandha. Then we have a temporary relationship, it is called as Tatkalika Sambandha. And the other relationship is called Pachakati Sambandha. This Pachakati Sambandha will discuss it later. So, how do we understand and how do we know what planets are friendly to a particular planet? The rule is very simple. The rule says that take the Mula Trikona sign of the Graha in question, and from there onwards, we need to look into specific bhavas or places and understand the natural relationships. Here, I have given a table which talks about the Mula Trikona sign of each Graha, and from there we will go move forward as to what are the planets friendly to this Mula Trikona Graha sign. For Sun, the Mula Trikona sign is Leo. For Moon, it is Taurus. For Mars, it is Aries. For Mercury, it is Virgo. For Jupiter, it is Sagittarius. For Venus, it is Libra. For Saturn, it is Aquarius. For Rahu, it is Virgo, and Ketu is Pisces. Sun, Leo, for Sun, it is Leo. Why it is Leo? Because Sun is a government. Sun is a king. So the place where the king sits as a throne, where he's given a lot of power and authority. So that is why Leo is the natural fifth house. It is a house of power and authority. For the moon, it is a sign of Taurus. Sign of Taurus is natural second house. What is mind connected to? Mind always thinks about money. It always wants materialistic benefits. So that is the reason the Mula Trikona of Moon is Taurus. The exaltation sign of Moon is also Taurus. Mars, the sign Aries is the Mula Trikona of Aries. What does Mars denote? Mars is all about leadership. It is all about analytical thinking. And what is Aries? Aries is the head of the Mula Trikona, head of the Kala Purusha, from where the analytical thinking comes. What about Mercury? Mercury, the Mula Trikona is Kanya Rashi, it is Virgo. Why? Because it is the natural sixth house. The natural sixth house is the house of Upachaya. Upachaya is nothing but growth. Mercury is like a child. He wants to grow, he wants to learn different skills. He wants to grow up in his life. That is why the Kanya Rashi for Mercury Kanya Rashi is the Mula Trikona. And what about Jupiter? Jupiter it is Sagittarius. And why Sagittarius? It is a natural ninth house. What is ninth house? Ninth house is house of temples where we go and pray. It is the place of God. So Jupiter is a planet of moral values. It is a planet which is a very benefic, it is a highly benefic planet. That is why Sagittarius is the Mula Trikona of that particular planet, which is Jupiter. And what about Venus? It is Libra. Why Libra? Because Libra is a natural seventh house. It is a marketplace where we buy things. It is a natural seventh house. It is the door to the outside world. It is a house of relationships. So for Venus, Libra is a natural Mula Trikona for Venus. And what about Saturn? It is Aquarius. It is a natural 11th house. It is a house of desire. 10th house is it is own house, which is Capricorn. Whereas the 11th house is the house of desires. So the purpose of we doing job in our life is to earn, is to fulfill our